In this video, we demonstrate how to use the Excel Reader node in KNIME Analytics platform. As the name suggests, the Excel Reader node can be used to read data files created by Microsoft Excel. We show how to locate a file, how to select a sheet, how to limit the range within a sheet, and how to specify the structure of the table. In the configuration window of the Excel Reader node, you can specify the location of the input file in different ways from the pull-down menu. In addition, you can specify an Excel file on a cloud or other remote file systems by adding a file system connection port on the lower left corner of the node. Here, we select a file in the current workflow data area. You can read files in both XLS and XLSX formats. If there are multiple sheets on your Excel file, then you can specify the one you are interested in here in the sheet selection section. By default, the first sheet will be read, but you can select a different sheet by its name or index. Notice that the first sheet has the index 0, the second sheet has the index 1, and so on. Once the file location and the sheet are selected, then you can see the preview of the data table at the bottom of the configuration window. If desired, you can use a particular row as a column heading, or you can choose a particular column as the row IDs. If no row ID column is specified, row IDs are automatically generated. By default, the entire sheet is read. However, if you want to read only a selected area, you can specify the ranges of rows and columns. Under the Transformation tab, you can rename columns. You can also reorder columns by moving them up or down. Any unnecessary columns can be deleted by unchecking them. Under the Advanced Settings tab, you can specify how to handle hidden rows and columns, empty rows and formulas. In this video, we have shown how to use the Excel Reader node. First, we have shown how to specify the file location and how to select a sheet. We have also shown options to specify the table structure.